Hi guys, Minerva here. I have another project made with an MS Garden Grove kit. It's a sewing machine, kind of a box with a lot of goodies inside. So this is the front. It has a measuring tape, a nice little dress, a spool with some yarn, charm. It's the same charm that's shaped as a spool also. There's a pin here with a ribbon rose, some thread wound around a thread spool, and it's got thread up here also, and a nice little trim, rose and leaves trim around the sewing machine. This is the side. It's tied with these spools on both sides, and this is the back. Could be the front also, because it's pretty like the front. So inside, I'm not going to open it. You can open this. Well, let me show you. You just pull this and pull the spool back, and this opens up, and then you can open this flat. Let's go ahead and open it. It's got all these pockets inside with some sewing related goodies in there. Let me see if I got this. Okay. So that's the front. Here's a pocket. Not sure I got this. Sorry. Okay, here's a pocket. In that pocket you have, there's something in here. Which doesn't want to come out right now. Oh, it's okay, it's glued down with this stick here. This stick is to give it some stability. What this forms a pocket. It forms a double pocket, and here's the other pocket. Here's a nice journaling card. In the front it has a tea with a tea cup with some sewing things in it, sewing accessories. This is a pocket. It's like a book, but in the shape of a sewing machine. Here's a more journaling space. It says fancy vintage sewing machine. You can use it to journal or to make a list of projects. This is another pocket. And here we have a nice little book, a fabric book. It's got a dangle with some buttons and a nice ribbon flower. Some nice ribbon trim around it. Here it's got a little I can't remember the name of things today, sorry. There's some nice vintage looking buttons here. This little dress fell out from somewhere. Maybe here in this pocket or here. And there's a belly band. So there's some snaps, vintage looking snaps. A little dress, some tags, do what you love. Creativity is messy and I'm very creative. So much to do, so little time. Little image there. This is a fabric. The pages are made of fabric. Here's some, this is a cardboard button. Here's another pocket made out of fabric, measuring tape, a spool with embroidery yarn, measure twice, cut once tag. So shabby, stitch your stress away. There's more fabric. You can put pins here, needles. There's some pins here, there's some felt. And some nice vintage looking buttons on the last page with a paper clip. This one's sewn around with a zigzag stitch. You can see it's sewn. It says fancy vintage fashion buttons. So that's one little book. Now we have spools, tags in the shape of spools attached to a giant safety pin. These tend to go, let me see if I can get them all on the same. This one won't go around. Okay, so they all have trims around them. This one has a nice fancy trim with some nice purple roses. This is a little pocket here for a small scissors. Some charms. Little sewing machine. Little safety pins and an ironing, an antique iron. This is fabric trim with eyelet. They decorated with some nice little ribbon roses. Oh, I guess this one is a nice see-through ribbon with embroidered pink roses and green leaves. Here's that tape measure fabric. There's another, or this is the same one, the transparent ribbon. And this is a nice trim with some nice little pink or light purple flowers. And they're all edged with Chinese braid. Let's see what else is here. We have a little closet here. The door's open and you have a dress, a fabric dress hanging from a wooden thingy there. It's got the keys, a wooden clothes hanger, and here's some filigree up here. And it's edged with Chinese braid. This is the back. There's another pocket, a bag. It says Stitches in Time, handmade with love. And it's got a sewing machine image there. I don't know if you can see that. It's too bright. And in this pocket we have some more journaling space. You're so sweet. This is like a card. So beautiful. And got this out of this pocket here. We have some of those paper dolls. Nice vintage looking paper dolls. Here's another image. Sewing room. And there's some beautiful appliques here. Isn't that pretty? This one is like peach, and this is like an ecru or light beige. You can use these to make clothes for the dolls. or decorate anything you want. This wasn't here, it was back here. Here's something else. Here's a fabric dress. And there's a back pocket here. We have a mason jar shaped tag, a big one. It's got some images like the ones you see in those pattern images. It's 5 cents, vintage, number 15, fancy. There's some of that ribbon, transparent ribbon, and some of that trim. And that's on the last page, and that's all that's in the sewing machine book. I could call it, I guess it's a book. Yeah, you can call it a book. So that will be listed on my Etsy shop. In my Etsy shop, there are the spool tags, the needle book, fabric needle book. This one closes like this. And you put the little dangles there, and the little dolls, paper dolls. So guys, that is so cute. If you're interested, visit my Etsy shop. It will be listed there. Thanks for watching. Bye.